Hello everyone, how are you? Come to Simple Knowledge. Today we will discuss about how to play cricket, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Cricket is a popular sport that involves two teams of 11 players each. In order to play, you will need a ball, a cricket bat, and 2 wickets. Wickets consist of 3 sticks called stumps driven into the ground, topped by 2 horizontal sticks known as bails. The objective of the game is to score more runs than the opposing team. 1. Team formation. Start by gathering 2 teams, each consisting of 11 players. 2. Setting up the wickets. Position the wickets at either end of the pitch. Each wicket should have 3 stumps and 2 bails placed on top. 3. Tossing the coin. Before the game begins, conduct a coin toss to determine which team will bat first. 4. First inning. Batting team. The team that wins the toss will send 2 batsmen onto the field. 1 batsman stands in front of each wicket. The remaining members of the bowling team spread out in the field. 5. First inning. Bowling team. The bowling team takes turns bowling the ball towards the batsman, aiming to dismiss them. 6. Scoring runs. The batsmen try to score runs by hitting the ball and running between the wickets. To score a run, both batsmen must successfully run to the opposite wicket while the ball is in play. 7. Ending the inning. The batting team's inning ends when the bowling team exhausts their allotted number of deliveries or dismisses 10 of the 11 batsmen. 8. Dismissing a batsman. The bowling team can dismiss a batsman in various ways: catching the ball before it touches the ground, dislodging the bails by hitting the stumps with the ball, hitting the wickets directly with the ball before the batsman completes a run, the batsman missing a bowled ball that hits the stumps. 9. Player substitution. Once a batsman is dismissed, they leave the field, and another teammate takes their place. 10. Second inning. After the first inning, the bowling team becomes the batting team, and they try to outscore the opposition. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.